Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the Uipath. In this session, I will explain you how to add, delete, extract and update problem list in ServiceNow using Uipath. So whenever we are working on the big project or we are working on the MNC organization, ServiceNow is always having a ticketing system or incident system in almost all of the organization. If we are working on this type of project, then these tasks are repetitively wants to create and take a follow of that. So rather than investing on the manpower for doing this task, it's always recommended to assign this activity to any robot who will perform automatically. So in this session, I will explain you how we'll do that and automate this stuff using Uipath. For automating this, we will need ServiceNow login credential and activities to be installed in Uipath system. So that is Uipath team.servicenow.activities. After installing this, you're able to see ServiceNow activity available inside the Uipath team. So for logging any or creating any problem, drag add problem activity and make the changes accordingly. Before that, we'll need to make sure that connection should be established. For that, I have already created one sessions on how to integrate or configure ServiceNow with Uipath. So please watch that lesson for configuration, and for continuing with the problem automation you can be available in this. So after dragging and dropping add problem activity, we need to do some configuration. So how to add that? You can also take the help from the get example data. So problem locking will need one unique key. That unique key we can put accordingly, or we can automate that as well. So that is the problem number I am providing here as a PRB, that is the initials of problem, and 002. Next, I am going to provide the state here. So states, it depends on your requirement how you can do that. So I am giving here as the 105. I will show you when it is created in ServiceNow, how the state will be varies and what is the value will indicate on this. Next, we will need the priority. So how the priority will define in the problem. So it's basically the priority of the defect or the issues occurred in any system or any environment. So let's make it here. 1 is the highest, that is critical one, and 4 is the lowest one. Next, we will need one short description, or you can see the name. Now name is added here. UAT environment is not functioning. So it is always being critical because environment itself is not working. Let me close this. I have added whatever parameter is required. Let me run it here. Once it is executed completely, we are able to see that the problem will be created. If you want to revert that command, you can do it. Once you will click that, the problem will be removed from the ServiceNow login. So now it's done. Let's check this problem is available in ServiceNow login or not. Let's search here. Just search here from the problem. Now you can see UAT environment is not functioning properly, and whatever detail we have entered, all these details are available. Let's click on this to see state code. Because I am the system administrator of this login, you can see my activities. So impact is low, major problem false, priority 5, state is new, and urgency is low. state you can see here 105 or 106 you can enter. Impact urgency priority we have entered here the 5, but it's 1 here. Might be it is taking in the chronological order, but as per me it's always be a 1. Let's check it here from the priority sections. You can enter here priority 5. Values 5 is provided automatically. We have to change it here according to this requirement. Let me see, impact and urgency. So once we will add impact and urgency, definitely it will change automatically. So 1 is high, and for urgency 1 is high. So we will add it or update it this in the update section. So next, so this problem number is available here. Let's update this. So updating this, we will need problem number. So problem number should be added up in update problem. Now you can see problem number is added and warnings are resolved. Let me configure the detail. Number showing some error. Now the number should be PRB02 impact. Let's update the impact and urgency and definitely the priority as well. Number I am giving here as a PRB002, impact is always 1 because it's dependent for the all, environment itself is not working. Let's run this. Now you can see command executed successfully. Refresh this page. Now you can see all the data, that is impact, urgency and priority is updated here. So at the time of creation, whenever we are mentioning the priority, impact and urgency should also be involved, otherwise it will take as a default value 5, that is planning. So by this way we are able to update our problem. Let's extract the data. So whenever it is required to extract all the problem list, just drag and drop this activity and test search command. So whatever command you have required or whatever data you need, so I am reviewing just the description part. Let's and run this. So let's configure the value here as a 31st, then 05 2020. I am extracting the data which is available for today itself. Let's run this. Now you can see 2 problems are added for today's login. Now UAT environment not functioning, just we have added this, and one server connection is not working. So by this way we can extract the data, depends on our requirement. So whatever data you need, just add the details and fire the SQL command. After firing the SQL command, you are able to extract the problem list here. Save this so that you can see warnings are resolved. Let's delete your problem. So if I want to delete any specific problem which is logged accidentally, we are able to do that. Just use delete command. So I am providing just the number I am removing rest other part. Taking a snap here. Let's remove other. Before running, save all activity, and after saving, you run this. So after running, you are no more able to see this incident list PRB00T2 in ServiceNow. So let's wait for the execution. So what happens if there is another problem is existing with this name? It will remove that problem according to the data. So whatever data is available maximum in any problem is the highest priority for the listing. So let's wait for robot to launch and delete this problem. It's taking some time. Now you can see robot is launched. So depends on your query and problem number, it will identify in the ServiceNow. After identify, it will delete from there. Once deletion is completed, it's executed from the execution mode. Now you can see, let's search the problem number PRB002 and refresh this page. We are no more able to see PRB002 is available in our system. Now you can see record not found. So by this way, we can add, update, extract and delete problem in ServiceNow using Uipath. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.